Welcome to our special report on Lockheed Martin, a global powerhouse in defense and security. For decades, Lockheed Martin has stood at the forefront of innovation, shaping the very landscape of global defense. With a legacy that stretches back over a century, this company has become synonymous with cutting-edge technology, strategic partnerships, and a relentless drive to protect and empower nations around the world. Lockheed Martin is more than a manufacturer. They're a key partner to the U.S. government and its allies, shaping the technology that protects nations. Their influence extends far beyond the assembly line, as they collaborate closely with military leaders, policymakers, and international partners to anticipate and address the evolving challenges of modern warfare and security. From the F-35 fighter jet to advanced missile systems, Lockheed Martin's portfolio is a testament to their commitment to innovation. Their projects span air, land, sea, space, and even cyberspace, ensuring that their clients are equipped with the most advanced tools available. Their products are at the forefront of modern defense, from stealth technology and hypersonic weapons to next-generation satellites and integrated defense systems. Every innovation is designed with one goal in mind: to keep people safe in an increasingly complex world. Today, we'll break down why Lockheed Martin is forecasting a strong 2026, connecting global events to their bottom line. As geopolitical tensions rise and nations invest more in defense, Lockheed Martin's strategic position becomes even more critical. We'll explore how current events, emerging threats, and technological breakthroughs are shaping the company's outlook and driving investor interest. Joining me are David Carter, a senior defense industry expert with decades of experience analyzing military trends, and Maria Flores, a financial analyst specializing in aerospace and defense stocks. Together, they'll help us unpack the numbers, the strategy, and the global context behind Lockheed Martin's projections.
Thanks, Savannah. Glad to be here. Lockheed Martin's story is one of constant adaptation and forward thinking, and I'm excited to share insights on what's driving their momentum.
Excited for the discussion. There's a lot happening in the defense sector right now, and Lockheed Martin is right at the center of it all.
Let's dive into the headlines and uncover the stories, strategies, and global developments that have everyone in the industry and on Wall Street talking about Lockheed Martin's future. Stay with us as we break down the key factors shaping this defense giant's path forward. Lockheed Martin's 2026 financial forecast is making waves.
They're projecting $77.5 to $80 billion in revenue, well above expectations, and higher than expected profits per share.
Maria, why did the stock jump after this announcement?
When a company beats expectations, investors see opportunity. Lockheed's strong forecast signals robust future earnings, so demand for the stock surged.
It's a clear vote of confidence from leadership.
The market rewards companies that show they're ahead of the curve.
Investors are betting on Lockheed's continued growth.
And with good reason, the fundamentals are strong.
What's fueling this demand for Lockheed's products?
Geopolitical tensions, especially in Europe and the Middle East, are driving nations to boost defense spending. Conflicts like Russia-Ukraine have shifted priorities, leading to major orders for Lockheed systems.
These are long-term contracts, not just one-off sales. Governments commit for decades, ensuring stable revenue.
When threats rise, so does demand for advanced defense tech.
That's why investors see Lockheed as a safe bet.
Global instability is translating directly into business.
And Lockheed is at the center of it.
Lockheed's tech was on display in the recent Venezuela operation.
Their F-35s, F-22s, stealth drones, and Black Hawk helicopters played key roles, proving their effectiveness in real-world missions.
Combat proven is the gold standard. When allies see Lockheed's equipment succeed, it accelerates sales and builds trust.
Successful operations are the best marketing.
It's not just about brochures, it's about proven performance.
Field success cements Lockheed's reputation.
And it often leads to new orders.
That credibility is invaluable. And it's only accelerating. Missile production is a major pillar of Lockheed's forecast. It's a financial foundation for the company's future. These contracts lock in growth and stability. The Missiles and Fire Control division is booming, with sales up nearly 18%. The demand is driven by allies needing to replenish and upgrade defenses. For investors, that's guaranteed revenue for years. These aren't speculative. They're firm government orders. The Patriot PAC-3 production will more than triple, and THAAD interceptor output will quadruple. These are multi-year, multi-billion-dollar deals. Lockheed just landed huge contracts for missile defense.
Let's take a deep dive into Lockheed Martin's recent financial performance, which has been nothing short of impressive. Over the past year, the company has demonstrated remarkable resilience and adaptability in a rapidly changing global market. Their financial results not only reflect strong leadership, but also a clear vision for sustainable growth.
In the fourth quarter of 2025, Lockheed Martin's revenue soared to $20.3 billion. That's an increase of nearly $2 billion compared to the same period last year, signaling robust demand for their products and services. This kind of year-over-year growth is a testament to the company's ability to execute on its strategy and capitalize on market opportunities.
What's even more impressive is that this growth isn't limited to just one area. It's broad-based, spanning multiple divisions and product lines, which shows the company's strength across its entire portfolio. The missiles and fire control segment led the way, posting nearly 18% growth. This division continues to benefit from strong global demand for advanced defense systems, and its performance has been a key driver of Lockheed's overall success. Meanwhile, the Aeronautics division, home to the iconic F-35 fighter jet, also delivered strong gains. The ongoing production and delivery of these advanced aircraft have contributed significantly to the company's top line, reinforcing Lockheed's leadership in aerospace innovation.
For investors, consistency is key, and Lockheed Martin has certainly delivered. The company's ability to generate reliable returns, even in uncertain times, has made it a favorite among those seeking stability in their portfolios. Last year, Lockheed paid out $3.13 billion in dividends, up from $3.06 billion the previous year. This steady increase in dividends is a clear signal of the company's financial health and its commitment to rewarding shareholders.
Such consistent dividend growth is a sign of both financial strength and management's confidence in the future. It reassures investors that the company is well positioned to continue delivering value.
At the same time, Lockheed is balancing shareholder rewards with strategic investments in innovation and future growth. This approach ensures the company remains competitive and continues to lead in key markets.
These strong financial results not only boost confidence in Lockheed's current operations, but also make future forecasts more credible. Analysts and investors alike are taking note of the company's ability to deliver on its promises.
Lockheed Martin's impressive track record speaks for itself. Decades of consistent performance have built a reputation for reliability and excellence in the industry.
With a strong foundation and a clear path forward, the company's growth trend looks set to continue well into the future, making Lockheed Martin a standout in the world of defense and aerospace.
And it's driving both current and future growth. The F-35 is a cornerstone of Lockheed's success. Investors see operational excellence and reliability. Aeronautics saw 6.4% sales growth thanks to this ramp-up. More deliveries now mean more recurring income later. The F-35 isn't just a sale, it's decades of maintenance and upgrades. Each jet is worth tens of millions, so this surge means billions in extra revenue. In 2025, Lockheed delivered 191 F-35s, up from 110 the year before. That's a huge leap. The F-35 program is breaking records.
In Washington, a wave of new policies is reshaping the landscape for America's defense industry. The Trump administration has introduced a set of rules that are not just tweaks to existing regulations, but a fundamental shift in how defense contractors are expected to operate. These changes are designed to increase accountability, drive efficiency, and ensure that taxpayer dollars are spent wisely. For companies like Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman, the stakes have never been higher.
A recent executive order now directly links the financial incentives of defense contractors, such as dividends for shareholders and executive compensation, to the timely delivery of weapons systems and military equipment. This means that if a company misses deadlines or fails to meet performance targets, it could see its profits and executive bonuses reduced. The message from the administration is clear. Performance and punctuality are no longer optional, but essential for financial success in the defense sector.
For companies that have struggled with delays or cost overruns in the past, these new rules introduce a significant risk. Projects that fall behind schedule could now have a direct impact on a company's bottom line, putting additional pressure on management and employees to deliver results. The era of leniency for missed deadlines is coming to an end. On the other hand, for industry leaders like Lockheed Martin, who have a track record of meeting or exceeding targets, these changes could provide a competitive edge. Consistent performance and reliability may now translate into greater financial rewards and enhanced reputation within the industry.
The government's goal is to foster a culture of accountability and ensure that defense contracts are fulfilled on time and within budget. By tying financial outcomes to performance, officials hope to motivate contractors to prioritize efficiency and transparency at every stage of production.
Lockheed's strong operational performance and history of innovation could set it apart from competitors who may struggle to adapt to the new rules. In a more demanding environment, companies that can consistently deliver will be the ones to thrive.
There's also discussion in Washington about a symbolic change, renaming the Department of Defense to the Department of War. While this is still just a proposal, it reflects a broader shift in national security strategy and a more assertive approach to global threats.
Such a move would signal a new era in U.S. defense policy, emphasizing strength and readiness. However, for now, it remains under debate among lawmakers and military leaders.
These policy changes add layers of complexity to an already challenging industry. But for Lockheed Martin, with its robust infrastructure and experienced leadership, the company is well positioned to navigate the evolving landscape and capitalize on new opportunities.
In the end, Lockheed Martin's operational strength, adaptability, and commitment to excellence remain its greatest assets as the rules of engagement continue to evolve. With strong forecasts, proven products, and major contracts, what's next for Lockheed?
The outlook is very positive. Huge backlogs, reliable customers, and global demand create stability.
But risks remain. Budget shifts, execution challenges, and changing global tensions could impact growth.
Still, Lockheed's fundamentals are solid.
The company is aligned with U.S. and allied defense strategies, focusing on next-gen warfare and tech superiority.
As long as global tensions persist, Lockheed will thrive.
Lockheed Martin stands at the center of modern defense, ready for whatever comes next.
Their future looks secure.